Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you step by step how you can apply the zoom in and zoom out effect in the Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So as you can see here on the Comet AI web browser, I can zoom in and zoom out by simply using or by holding the left control key on my keyboard and by using my mouse wheel by, for example, moving it forward or backward, and you will see that zoom here at the top. You may also use that plus and minus buttons or reset the zoom level. That's option number one, and it works pretty much the same way as on Google Chrome because Comet AI is using basically the same layout. So what you want to do is simply navigate to that arrow down icon top right corner and click into either that minus or plus button next to zoom. Like in that on Chrome they feature the same menu here. So simply click into these buttons and find your preferred zooming level. That's option number two, guys. However, if you don't like it or that way of zooming in, guys, because it doesn't allow you, for example, to zoom into specific areas of the display, but only will apply that zooming on a general level, as you can see. The only way to fix this would be to simply head over to the Chrome Web Store and to head over also to the extensions and to look for various zoom or mouse zoom extensions. As you can see, you may simply type in zoom here and you will see quite a lot of these. Which one you go with, guys, is totally up to you. I'm currently using this extension here. It is installed in my extension center, but there are, as you can see, countless of these extensions. So which one you go with is totally up to you. Let me just show you an example how that extension here works. Once it has been installed, make sure that it is running in the top right corner here, and you may also pin it to your toolbar if you like. However, doing that is optional. And after that, guys, you may simply press and hold Alt on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel wherever you would like to zoom in on the given website. So let me go with that example website here and let me zoom into that login form here. And that's how it would look like. As you can see now, I can, for example, zoom into that top level, top left corner here, bottom right corner, there, and so on and so forth. Left Alt or Alt left on your keyboard, press and hold, and use your mouse wheel back and also forth. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.